Hello friends, welcome to AapBhiBatao. Are you ready to explore Python with me? Let's start together. First question, which of the following is not a valid variable name in Python? Answer is option B. Second question, what is a Python file containing .py extension? Answer is option A. Third question, what is the maximum value for an integer in Python 3? Answer is option D. Fourth question, which of the following is not a valid way to comment out a single line in Python? Answer is option B. Fifth question, which of the following is an immutable data type in Python? Answer is option D. Sixth question, what does the len function return when called on an empty list in Python? Answer is option C. Seventh question, which of the following is used to define a block of code in Python? Answer is option D. Eighth question, which module in Python provides support for regular expressions? Answer is option A. Ninth question, which of the following is not a standard data type in Python? Answer is option C. 10th question, how do you convert a string to lowercase in Python? Answer is option B. 11th question, how do you remove a specified item from a list in Python? Answer is option A. 12th question, how do you remove the item at the specified index from a list in Python? Answer is option D. 13th question, which of the following is not a valid comparison operator in Python? Answer is option C. 14th question, which of the following is used to exit a loop prematurely in Python? Answer is option A. 15th question, how do you check the length of a list named mylist in Python? Answer is option B. 16th question, how do you round a number x to 2 decimal places in Python? Answer is option A. 17th question, which of the following is the correct way to define a function fun in Python? Answer is option C. 18th question, which of the following is a correct way to initialize an empty dictionary in Python? Answer is option B. 19th question, what is the command used to start Python from command prompt execute Python? Answer is option D. 20th question, in which language is Python written? Answer is option A. 21st question. Which of these is not a core data type in Python? Answer is option A. 22nd question. Which of the following function convert a string to a float in Python? Answer is option B. 23rd question. Which method is used to remove characters from the beginning of a string? Answer is option B. 24th question. Which method is used to remove characters from the end of a string? Answer is option D. 25th question. How can you split a string S by commas? Answer is option A. 26th question. Which data type allows duplicate elements in Python? Answer is option C. 27th question. Which loop executes a block of code a specified number of times? Answer is option A. 28th question. Which loop is used when the number of iterations is not known? Answer is option B. 29th question. What is the keyword used to skip the rest of the code in the current iteration? Answer is option D. 30th question. Which loop in Python will always execute at least once? Answer is option C. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.